Hi friends, today we're sharing our recipe for homemade tandoori masala, which is one that we often use in a number of our recipes. For an easier and quicker method, we are using powdered versions of all the spices, except for fenugreek seeds, which Kevin is grinding in a mortar and pestle. By far, using whole spices will yield a more intense mix. However, the powdered spices present a more convenient option for many, especially if you do not own a spice mill or coffee grinder. The procedure is really easy. Simply mix all the spices in the ingredients list together. We are initially adding 3 teaspoons of paprika, but you can adjust the amount of paprika to achieve the desired color. As for turmeric, you can reduce the amount if you want to keep the color more red rather than orangey. While you can surely find pre-made tandoori masala at most Indian groceries, a homemade version is not only much more adaptable and fresh, but you can also tweak it to your liking. Besides, a lot of store-bought spice mixes come with preservatives, salt, and artificial food coloring. Different brands of tandoori masala will vary in intensity and flavor, ranging from hot to mild. Our version here is something in between. Now just mix all the spices together and add more paprika, as mentioned before, to intensify the red color. As we're not using any artificial coloring, the resulting color won't be as bright as the commercial ones. Finally, to awaken the fragrance and flavor of this tandoori masala, dry roast it for around 30 to 45 seconds on low-medium heat. This step is optional, but it does intensify the aroma and taste. Just make sure not to burn the spice and remove it from the heat as soon as the fragrance is released or small fumes start to rise. Let the masala cool completely before transferring into a sealed jar and store for up to 6 months. This tandoori masala can be used as a rub on vegetables and tofu or to spice up burger patties, stews and gravies. Stay tuned for our upcoming tandoori spiced potato wedges recipe, where we will show you how to make crispy oven-baked potato wedges with moist centers. Guys, we love reading your comments and feedback, or if you've tried our recipes. It really gives us the motivation to keep making more awesome videos for you. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you very soon for another recipe.